Alright, picture this. You're on a beach vacation, waves crashing, camera in hand, ready to capture that perfect sunset. But hold up, before you dive in, you might want to hear this review. I'm talking about the Kodak Pixpro WPZ2, this so-called tough waterproof camera. Now I know what you're thinking, it's Kodak. It's got to be good. Well, funny story, it's not actually Kodak. It's licensed by JK Imaging, so you know, a little bit of a gotcha moment right there. Specs wise, we've got a 16MP camera, 4 times zoom, and a shockproof build. But here's the thing, the lens is bulky, it moves a lot, and it feels kind of fragile. And let's be honest, image quality, it's decent at best. Indoor shots, not so much. They're blurry, and colors are, well, let's say, creatively inaccurate. Now here's where it gets interesting. I tested it in a variety of conditions. Kitchen sink drops, beach abuse, even underwater, and guess what? It survived. The catch, well past 30 feet underwater. The buttons kinda gave up. Not exactly the scuba diving hero you were hoping for. So who's this camera for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly waterproof camera for poolside shots or a family trip, the Pixpro WPZ2 holds up most of the time. Just double check the seal before you dive into the ocean, alright? Let me know in the comments if you've had any waterproof mishaps, and if this saved you from drowning your $1,000 phone in the sea. Well, you're welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unfiltered tech reviews.
And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.